For today's video, I am going to show you the purpose why I planted this beans in my backyard garden. I will cook them for our dinner straight from the garden to table. I planted them 2 months ago because I wanted to grow our own vegetables. This is French beans. French beans are small, slender, and straight to slightly curved pods, averaging 7 to 10 centimeters in length, and have a cylindrical shape with tapered, pointed ends. The beans can be grown year-round. The good thing of growing your own veggies is you can pick any time. I just have to wash them in cold water. I slice tomatoes, peppers to go with the beans. Now I am going to start cooking. Lit the fire, heat the pan and add oil. And wait for the pan to get warm a bit before putting the beans. I will add a tiny bit of soy sauce, vinegar. Leave it to cook for at least 3 to 4 minutes, then I will add a tiny crushed black pepper, butter. Then add the tomatoes and peppers. Cook for at least a minute, then there you go. We have a dinner. Fresh from the garden to table.